Dear student, in first video of solid state, some idea is provided by me to you. After this, we will study about the space lattice or crystal lattice and unit cell. Before going to detail, first of all pay your individual attention at your body. How body is in its real shape. The body is combination of system. System is combination of organs. Organs are combination of tissue, and tissue are combination of cell. Hence, unit cell for living body is cell. Another example for this: think about wall of your room or house or boundary. How boundary is set up, how wall of room is constructed. It is due to repetition of brick. Here group of brick, repetition of brick is responsible to provide the shape of wall or room. So in case of wall, either in room wall or in boundary wall, eat that is brick is taken as are known as unit cell. Similarly, what is onion? That is combination of layers. In onion, we may assume, we may consider smallest cell, unit cell as a layer. Like this, substance is obtained. Substance में in gaseous state or in liquid state or in solid state, but here we have to mind about solid state. The solids are of the many types. Idea about that has been provided by me to you. In case of either solid, what is the role of unit cell and what is the role of space lattice or crystal lattice? So, today we will start about this. Crystal lattice. It is three-dimensional. That is 3D. X, Y, Z, all the three axes. 3D, three-dimensional arrangement of constituents. Constituents may be either atom for covalent solid or ions or electrovalent solid or molecule for molecular solid. In crystal, these phenomena is known as space lattice or crystal lattice. Lattice means net in which each components are changed or joined to each other, directly attached to each other, just like the net. The crystal lattice or space lattice indicates an idea about which, by which manner three-dimensional arrangement of constituents, that is atom or ion or molecules, are set up. Position of constituents like this. These points are known as, actually this point is constituents which may be either atom or ion or molecule. So these points are regarded as lattice point. Lattice point. This is also lattice point. After this, unit cell. Now unit cell. Smallest group of 3D arrangement, three-dimensional arrangement, 3D arrangement of lattice point due to repetition of which is built up. or setup. Now parameter for the decision of unit cell. Suppose this is indication for the three axes x, y, z. About this, we consider the concept of vector. You will read about the axis in this. Now let us consider the shape. Don't mind the category of shape. It may be either square or rectangle. You have to mind about shape. And another shape. Now look this. Suppose we consider this point as the origin, then it will be our x-axis, it will be our y-axis, and it will be our z-axis. The point of intersection means length of the side along x-axis. Point of intersection at x-axis is this. Suppose this is A, and point of intersection along y-axis it is B, and for z-axis it is C. The length of OA is known as small a. Length of OB is known as small b, and length of OC is known as small c. Here it is not foundation. Y-axis should be represented always in vertical. As you know the condition, all these three axes should be mutually perpendicular to each other. You may consider this as Z, you may consider this as Y. You are free to represent your axis. Only condition should be fulfilled that all the three axes should be mutually perpendicular to each other. It is not foundation to set the name. Y-axis is always representing this side or that side. It is not the case of logical interpretation. Now come back at your point. The distance between O and A. Here, area of our structure, area of our shape is indent. The length of OA is known as A. Length of OB is known as small b. And length of OC is known as small c. Now pay your attention at the angle of three axes. In real angle between these two 90, angle between these two 90, angle between these two 90. The angle is represented by alpha, beta and gamma. Suppose this is our 3D x, y and z. Angle between yz is known as alpha. Angle between xz is known as beta. And angle between xy is known as gamma. On the basis of alpha, beta, gamma and A, B, C, we decide the shape of crystal. On the basis of length of A, B, C and angle alpha, beta, gamma, 7 types of crystal system exist. Out of 7 type crystal system, we have to study only about the cube. As you know, cube means length of all sides are equal and angle between axes for each corner, for each origin is 90. So for cube, A is equal to B equal to C. All length are same and all axes at any corner at any origin are perpendicular to each other. That is, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Suppose about this shape or this shape, it is rectangle. Parallel sides are equal. These parallel sides are equal. Another rectangle. Now meet the both. Now look this clearly about this plane. Suppose this is A, this is B. The length of A and B not equal. A not equal to B. And suppose this is C, either this or this or this length or this length is C. C is neither equal to A, neither equal to B. A not equal to B, not equal to C. All the three sides A, B, C are not equal to each other. Actually, its shape is like this. Brick or matches, packet of matches or brick which is used in room or boundary wall. A not equal to B, not equal to C, but all the three axes alpha, beta, gamma are equal and 90 degree. For packet of small matches in which sticks present, not package of matches, only at the matches, or shape of brick, both are similar, that is cuboid. If A not equal to B, not equal to C, but all the three angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, then it is known as orthorhombic. On other hand, in cube, A equal to B equal to C and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 for cube. It may also exist that all the three sides are equal. Suppose this triangle, all the sides of triangle are similar. All the angles are also similar. A equal to B equal to C, and all the angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma are similar, but angle is not equal to 90 degree. So like this, many cases are created on the basis of that seven type of crystal system exist. Out of 7 types of crystal system, we have to study only about the cubical system.